Welcome to Social Science class, Standard 9, Economics, Unit 1, Understanding, Development, Perspectives, Measurement and Sustainability. In this lesson, we want to learn some important about for our development of in our state or country. First, we want to learn learning objectives. Next, introduction. The word we want to know the word development, different perspectives about development. The next one is indicators of economic development. In the indicators of economic development, we have some of the topics from this topic: NNP, net national income; PCI, per capita income; PPP, purchasing power parity; HDI, human development index. The next one is gross domestic product GDP and sustainability of development, policies of sustainability of development. Introduction. Learning objectives: to know the meaning of development from different perspectives, to know the indicators of economic development, understand the meaning of economic development, to know the policies for sustainable development. Introduction. The word development is used widely. It refers to the progress of a particular field or a particular person. The economic progress of country is known as economic development. The progress, the improvement of a country in an economical level is known as economic development. Then different perspectives about development. Every human being has an ambition or a desire of his her own to achieve progress in a life. If our thinking turns towards progress means forward, move forward to learn much amount of things and about the ways to achieve many goals for progress. Every human being have that achievements or ambition, many goals for progress. It leads to the development of economical level. The next one is let us try to imagine what the development means in a different people. Single people, even different types of the people having different image for their development for that economical level. Development is imaginary level. They have the different ways. One is improvement. Next one is growing process in a needed direction, way of moving forward, not doing same mistake twice, part of our daily life, advance, grows within, never ending process, bettering yourself, freedom to grow, progress, improvement. These are the different type of that imagine of development of economic in different types of people. Students, see the page number 285. The tabular column is having, verify this tabular column. In this chart, the development refers to the improvement of quality of life such as higher income. If the person is get achievement and got a improvement for their quality of life such a higher income only, they give a improvement of their quality life. Then it give a better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty and more equal opportunity. If one person is get a higher income, that person only get a better education, better health and better nutrition and all for their life, and they get a equal opportunity. The term economic development refers to the overall growth of all sector of economic. The economic development, the term refers to the growth of all sectors of economic. All that a person who got a much amount of income, that person is get a economic development. For their using for the new technologies also they get the improvement for their economical development. Then next one is indicators of economic development. What was the meaning of indicators? The information of economic development. Some of the person gives a different type of information for about the economic development. The major indicators to measure the level of economic development is known as one is a net national product, NNP, per capita income, PCI, purchasing power, party, PPP, and Human Development Index HDI. Next one is gross domestic product. What's the meaning of gross domestic product? GDP, final money value of total goods and service produced within a particular area or geographical boundary of a country is a specified period of time. Normally it is known as a gross domestic product. How the country or a state calculated for their gross domestic product. Final money value of total goods and services within a particular geographical boundary area, that is known as a specific period of time. Normally it is known as gross domestic product. Next one is net national product. What's the meaning of net national product? The net national product is considered as a true measure of a national output. It is also known as a national income. A rise of per capita income means increase in a real output. What's the meaning of per capita income? The output of income for real capital income, that is known as a per capita income. The net national product is considered a national output. It is also national income. The national income is rise in the per capita means the increase of the real output of the state, that is known as a net national product. For measuring a country development, its income is considered to be one of the most important factors. Countries with a higher income, how they get the higher income to consider to be more development, those with the lesser income. So income itself considered to be one of the indicators of economic development. The higher income is considered to be a development of a lesser income. It is so income itself considered to be one of the indicators of that economical development. Then per capita income. What is the meaning of per capita income? The average income is calculated by dividing the country's total income by its total population. The average income of a is calculated by dividing country total income by the total population. The average income also called per capita income. It was calculated by the total population with the total income of a country, that is known as a per capita income. Calculation on per capita income of all countries are calculated only in the US dollar in order to compare the international level. For all the per capita income, it is calculated in only in a US dollar. The next one, see the page number 286 students. Then per capita income, that one a tabular column is having. You see this tabular column, per capita income. According to the World Bank report, new income measurement of countries are classified as below. Types of country per capita income, the US dollar only. I am already told all the per capita income is calculated only in a US dollar. Low income less than 1005. Lower middle income 1006 to 3955. Upper middle income 3956 to 12235 income. High income 12235. It is also calculated in the US dollar only. Types of country country low income, lower middle income, upper middle income, high income. For all income is included and calculated. Per capita income is calculated by US dollar. The next one is purchasing power party. What is the meaning of purchasing power party? Purchasing power party is defined as the number of units of country currency required by the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as the dollar would buy in the US only. It is known as a purchasing power party. For all the purchasing goods and services is used only and the dollar would buy in the US. The technique of purchasing power party also estimate what exchange between two countries is needed to express the accurate purchasing power of two currencies respective countries. The technique they using for the some of the techniques in the purchasing power in the between the two countries. Example, recently India became the third largest economic terms of PPP. Then what's the meaning of PPP? Purchasing power party. The next one is human development. What is the meaning of human development in the economic condition? The human resources development means the development of person, physical and mental ability through the education level, healthcare level and training. Therefore, investment in education and health of people can result in a high rate. If the people, those who are invest for their money in that persons only give a higher education for their children and health conditions, good health conditions, then high rate of returns of future for a country. For example, if a child is invested with good education and health, she may be returned very productive in future in the form of higher earning. If one person having the higher earning, that persons only give the higher education and good education and good health for their children. Human Development Index, which is indicates all-round development of a people in a society. If we developed for our human development, that only give the importance and give the indicates all-round the development of a people in the society. Then sustainability of development. What is the sustainable economic? Its development is taken to mean development without damaging the environment and not compromising with the needs of the future generation. We must not damage for our any environmental and for our need for the future generation. That only we give that sustainable for the development in our country. Sustainability of development in a comparatively a new area of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosopher and other social scientists are working together. They are also working together and give the development of economic in our country. Natural resource can be divided into two types. One is a renewable resource and a non-renewable resource. Renewable resource example solar energy, non-renewable example coal, petroleum. Then how do we achieve the real sustainability in our economic development? To achieve our real sustainability, we need to balance economic, social and environmental sustainability in equal harmony. That only we give that equal sustainability in our economic production. Take page number 288. That one tabular column is having. Then see this tabular column for how they sustainable for their economic condition in different country. One is Andhra Pradesh, next one is Karnataka, Kerala, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu in India. For the policies for sustainable development, use of non-conventional sources of energy, that is also give the sustainable for development of our economical condition. Solar power in India, solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity, either directly cells or indirectly using for the concentrate solar power. Using the solar power, it's make a sunlight for easily for our electricity. It is also give the importance for improvement of our economical development. The next one is environmental policies in India. Environmental policies in India have been evolved considerably over the past 3 decades. The policies have covered in a wide range of issues such as air, water pollution, waste management and conservation. How to conserve for the water pollution, water management and air pollution. That is also give the importance for the environmental policies in India. Then Article 50, the Supreme Court of India has interpreted and introduced new changes in environmental protection through the series of direction and judgment. Article 51 AG of the Constitution states it shall be a duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife and have compassion of living creatures. They give it to Article 51. We should follow the Article 51 for these government under the Constitution of government. Development increase the quality of life. This means the people will have a higher income, better education, better health and nutrition, less poverty and more equality of opportunity. How we get more equality and opportunity? Because of that increase of how we increase the equality of life. To have the higher income, we get the achievement of higher income, that only give that equal opportunity in our life. The next one, the growth story of Tamil Nadu. How that Tamil Nadu growth in our country. So having a small story tell about some persons. Tamil Nadu is one of the states having achieved rapid progress with a relatively in a short period. In our country, we all that achieved for relatively in a short period. The social infrastructure also give the infrastructure and school, health centers, roads, public transport, water supply, electrical connection and such and more about that we have a lot of improvement in our country. It is also give that improvement for our development of our economical in our country. Tamil Nadu have some of the highest per capita income and lowest poverty rates among all Indian states. Comparing with our all Indian states, we get Tamil Nadu have some of the higher per capita incomes and lowest poverty. It's among all Indian states. Next, recap. Development refers the progress of particular field or a particular person. Development, if a single person or each persons are give the improvement or development for our achievement or earn more and more, that persons only have that development give the development for our economical conditions. If a single person get economical development for it include for all our country. Economic development means overall growth of all sectors of the economy. The major indicators of economic development, how they get that major indicate for economical development: per capita income, net national product, purchasing power parity and human development index. Human resources is necessary for the progress of any country. Sustainable development means development should take place without damaging the environment and preserve it for the future. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 aimed at protection to wild animal and birds. Thermal power plants also a large quantity of carbon dioxide which is harmful to the environment. Then assignment, students. To note down for the learn and write for two. Learn and write the objectives fully in this lesson. And note down the question answer in your class work. Thank you, students.